Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Grok for completely free without paying any money. Okay, so go to Renewable AI from your browser, can be Chrome or anything. So once you get, this is the app, the site, so just tap on it. Alright, so guys, for me, I'm already logged in, but for you to be able to get it done, get the video, but just make sure you follow me to the end. So you just come here and then log in. Alright, so just come here. First of all, you log out. This is the thing, for every login you log in, they give you 75%, like 75 coin, is it? Yeah, coin for you to use. Then after using it, it's finished for the day, and then the next day again they give you another 70, like 70. So I've already used mine, so some is remaining like 45. All right, so now this is what you do if you want to get it. So I'm just going to log out for now and then log in with another email. All right, so I'm going to confirm my logout, and then I'm going to log in again with another email. All right, so I'm logging in with another account. So you choose Google. I'm going to select a new account, so let me make use of this. So guys, make sure you follow very well. Alright, so you will see it has been updated, so 135. I have up to 135. Alright, so now the next thing I'm going to do, once you have finished logging in, one thing about this is that you can invite a friend. So you just come to invite friends. Once you get to invite friends, and then you just tap in the friends, you just copy the friends code, and then invite the friend to sign in through you. So that's the start. And once you send an invite to a friend, to your this thing, your point increases. Your point increases. So now the next thing I'm going to do for us to create AI video using Grok, you simply come to project. Where you see project, I'm going to tap on it, and then I'm going to use workflow, not the agent camper. Just make sure you follow me very well. So I'm going to tap on workflow. Right, so now here is another secret while doing this. Make sure that your phone, come here, make sure that your phone is on the desktop side. As you can see, my phone is on desktop side, so make sure your phone is on desktop side while doing this. So I'm simply going to tap on this collapse to collapse this other side, so we can see the full screen. So now the full screen, if this was a laptop, you will just see everything the way it should be, but this is the system project, so I'm going to just tap on it and delete it. So tap on it and delete it, so we don't need this. I'm going to just tap on it and delete it. All right, so guys, make sure you are following. Just tap on it and delete it, tap on it and delete it, take them out. All right, so guys, we are almost done. Okay, now for you to create a new thing, just simply come, for example, want to create a video, just simply come here, then scroll down. So once scrolling down, you will see where you have creation type. So the creation type, we have the write up, where you have different means of writing. Then we have the image creation, where we have a text to image editor, and then we have the video creation. Okay, so guys, make sure you're following very well. So we are not going to use the text to image, the text to video, rather we are going to use the image to video. All right, so we want to access Grok at this point. So once you tap there, see, this is the next thing that will pop up. All right, this is the next thing. So you can just use your two finger to make your screen, make it show very well on your screen, right? So you see, this is this other side that you are seeing, drag and drop to click. So just tap on there to bring in your image. So I'm going to bring in my image that I generated already. So after bringing in my image, So now my image is ready right now. So this is how we can access Grok. So just come here to where you see model type. So I'm going to click the drop down where I'm seeing model type, and then I'm going to turn my phone where I click model type. So if you okay, so let's see model type. As you can see, if you come down here, you will see Grok. Okay, so but the thing is that Grok, for a video you create with Grok, it's up your 25 this thing up to 25. It eats it up to 25. You can see others, you can see clean 2.5 and others. So I'm going to tap on Grok. All right, so I'm going to choose the duration. So I stay at 5. I want to stay at 5 seconds, so you can increase it to as 15 seconds. All right, so and then see, and then the resolution, I'm keeping it at 720p so that I can have a very good resolution. So now here is the part you need to take very good attention. For you to remember, at this point we have not put the dialogue. There is no dialogue, it's just the image to video. This is how it works, from image link to video. So I'm going to come to where we have the plus icon, and then come to where we have the video, then we have the text to video. So where we have the text to video, I'm going to tap on it. All right, so once I tap on it, what I will just do is to come to this other one, long press on this other one that you are seeing on top here, this other one on top. Then I'm going to delete it. So then I'm going to now drag this text box up here. So just make sure you're following very well, and then tap on this, and then tap on this little icon. Once I tap on it, and then I will drag it here. Okay, once the thing link, you will just see that it will show. So it has linked to this video. So you see the line has been linked to this video. So you can tap on the image, the text box, and then type something. All right guys, so here's the thing, we are done putting in the listing. So the next thing that will just happen is for you to click on this run. So we have done putting the text where the man said, the man is calling his wife using a romantic voice, saying, honey, I will soon be home, I love you. So that is just what we want the man to say. So we click on run. So the thing is generating the video right now. A video is ready. To download the video, simply tap on this download icon beside it. So let me play the video. You see how clean the video is. So guys, as you can see, our point has reduced. So guys, some people might be wondering, so what of me if I'm a creator that I create a lot of videos in a day? So don't panic, I'm going to show you how you can get it unlimitedly. So simply come to where you see where you have your email, then you can log out, and then confirm logout, and it's as simple as that. And then the next thing you will just do is to go to that place again and tap on login, and then when you are logging in, you can choose another account. So, and then I'm going to show you something very important, so make sure you pay attention to this. So what you just do is that you come to continue with email, and then where you have your email, you tap on where you can put in your email. But then this is what you can do also, then just tap on here where it will take the sites to one side, and then you go to your Google straight, and then tap on search for temp mail. Okay, so we have temp mail. You don't have to log in, you don't have to do anything, just go to their site and then copy, just tap on the site. Okay, so the site will automatically generate an email for you. So all you just need to do just to so it has generated. So I can tap on this copy, and it has copied the email address. So I can come this and then come here to this again. So guys, make sure you are following. So I can now come and tap where I have the email, just put in your email there, and then where you have your password, so you can just put in a password. Now guys, have to access Grok for free. okay, without paying any dime. So guys, if you have any question, don't forget to just drop it in the comment section, and if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you not be miss out on the next video we are going to drop. Thank you for watching, and then see you in our next video.